Guys, running Kimono here. So today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. If you look at the dates, both of them are expiring on Saturday. So if you have not used your 5 off of 30, because that's been around for the last couple of weeks, well, Saturday will be the day to do it. All digital coupons over at the Dollar General are also of a one-time use. So you're going to have to roll the dice and either do a deal or don't do a deal. It is your choice. So just a couple more ground rules on this because it is a little bit confusing. So obviously Saturday the 12th is the best day to go that you'll get the biggest savings. You got to get a basket of $30 of gain merch to get that $10 of savings, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. Absolutely use the Dollar General app to scan barcodes to ensure that that 5 off of 30 along with digital coupons are attaching. That's what you need to really pay attention to, because if it's not, this will go hell in a handbasket really quickly. And if you have issues where coupons are not attaching at the very end, you can always void your transaction, start over again, and all digital coupons will stay on your store account. Okay, so as you can see my basket here, guys, this is from last weekend. I got a 5 off of 25 with all digital coupons, and I made something happen. If you want to follow me over on Instagram, because not every basket I do is 100% gain, but just to show you that, yes, these deals do in fact work, because sometimes people have to see the receipts because they're like, I don't believe anything you say. Give me a follow. My name is Photo Rachel, and I do show a lot of stuff later in the day on Saturday if I go out to the Dollar General and do a couple different transactions with a 5 off of 30 or a 5 off of 25. And just to show you a different mix of this was from a couple weeks back, and it was another gain scenario, and I was able to get my basket down to $6.12 for all of this merchandise. So you can really see the value of this and how great it can be and just how awesome this is. And if you have a hard time deciphering these receipts, hey, it can be a bit of a task. I don't blame you for that. If you look at the receipt a little closely, you see where it says store coupon, and then it's like -61, -64. That's when you know your 5 off of 30 and your 5 off of 25 are in fact stacking. Alternatively, the email receipt is a little easier to decipher, but that's when you know it's worked. And I have this video I will link at the very end, and it's just like how to use that app to scan and have the most amount of success. Don't make the little lists with all the stuff at home, because all your numbers will be really skewed and off. Write it by hand, old-fashioned paper and pen, but use this app to make sure that the digital coupons along with your 5 off of 30 are attaching, and that's how you will have the most amount of success with this. Okay, so deal number 1 is with digital coupons. So you're going to need your 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have both of those loaded to your store card so you can participate in this deal. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to grab 2 of the Gain Fling 51 count. These guys for $13.50. And please make sure you're scanning the barcode to make sure that 5 off of 30 is attaching, but we're grabbing 2 of these. And then off of this little bingo list, we're going to grab one of these items. So whatever you want, if you want some dryer sheets, if you want some more detergent, anything for $3.95, and there's a whole bunch of them in the store. So grab one of these. And then the digital coupons that we're going to have loaded for this little dealio include this $3 that showed up, I believe, on Sunday, and then this $1 from earlier in the month. So please make sure you have both of those on your store card to participate in this deal. And then over on your coupons.com app, we have a $3 back when you buy a 51 count of the Gain Flings. This item, you're not actually using a coupon, so thus you can apply for this because this is your manufacturer coupon. So hopefully you can follow my drift. Very easy to use the coupons.com app and a way to save money, especially if you don't get any Gain coupons in your region. This is a way around it, and there's a ton of Gain coupons right now. But these are your coupons. So basically what you do is you go buy the item and then you apply for it after with the receipt. Okay, so looking at the math for this, 2 of the Gain Fling 51 count at $13.50 a piece is $27. 1 Gain Fling, the bag, is $3.95 for a total of $30.95. So after the cashier scans the last item, you punch in your phone number, The 5 off of 25 Saturday and the 5 off of 30 gain coupon are coming off, along with $4 of digitals. We have a $3 for the fling and a $1 for the $3.95 bag. So you're left with paying $6.95 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. And then after, what you're going to do is take that receipt and then photograph it, send it off to the coupons.com app through the app. And then you're going to get back $3, which will be processed through PayPal to you, like really quick. It's really awesome. The final price point here for your basket is $13.95 for the 3 or $4.65 per product. Okay, the last deal that we have here is with both paper and digital coupons and coupons.com. So we're going to need the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have both of those loaded so you can participate in this deal. And we're going to grab one of these guys for $13.50, which is the Gain Flings. That's a huge amount of pods as well. So you're really getting a great value with this deal, that is for sure. And then we're also going to be grabbing one of these, which is the products for $3.95. So anything off this bingo list that attaches with that 5 off of 30. Okay, and then we need the following digital coupons that include the $3 off for the 51 count and the $1 off for whichever gain item you wish to buy for $3.95. Now we're also going to grab 2 products for $6.95, so 1 detergent and 1 fabric softener product. Just mix it up. And then from the Retail Me Not of November the 8th, we have this $2 coupon, so you're going to need 1 paper coupon. And then if you go over to your coupons.com app, there's a $2 rebate for a fabric softener product that will qualify for this. So grabbing a fabric softener and a detergent product, or 2 fabric softener products. So looking at the math for this, one of the Gain Flings 51 count is $13.50, 1 Gain detergent for $3.95, and then 2 Gain products at $6.95. Make sure one of them is a fabric product for $13.90. They're $6.95 a pop. So your total is $31.35. Present 1 $2 coupon from the Retail Me Not of November the 8th. And then after that coupon is scanned, punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $4 of digital manufacturers. We have a 3 for the flings and a $1 for the detergent. You're left with paying $15.35 out of pocket. You're going to make a $2 submission for that 1 fabric softener product for $6.95 to the coupons.com app. The final price point for this basket is $13.35 for the 4 or $3.33 per product. Okay, guys, and in case you missed it, there's also another fantastic deal on very inexpensive cottonelle, and lightning strikes really hard on that Saturday to use that 5 off of 25 with this deal and other instant digital savings. If you missed this video, I posted it on Sunday, so please check it out. It's a really, really great little dealio for really inexpensive toilet paper. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!